Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's make breakfast. I'm gonna be making some buttermilk pancakes, eggs, and sausage. So these are my ingredients for the buttermilk pancakes on the left right here, and you're gonna need just a few ingredients, and this is the sausage that I'll be using, my eggs and the cheese right there. So in the bowl I already zested my orange. You guys know I'm using my phone. You want to add your 1 egg, that's the sugar and salt. You want to add your buttermilk. I measured everything, just put it in a cup, y'all, because I'm not trying to dirty too many dishes. I'm still unpacking, so mix it up really well. Immediately you're going to get that orange zest. It smells so good. As you can see, I added a little bit of vanilla. I did add more off camera, but remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so make sure you check that out. This is what your batter should look like. Now on to the eggs. I never put salt in my eggs in the beginning when I beat it up. I usually add it after it's cooked, so don't add salt until after. First, I'm going to start with the sausages because they're going to take longer. I have them on medium heat. I'm going to use a measuring cup to put my pancake batter into my skillet. I'm cooking them in butter, but you could cook it in oil, whatever you prefer. This is what it looks like, nice and golden, crispy around the edges. The sausages are finished, and now we're just going to make the eggs. And I'm going to plate it up and let you guys know what I think about it. I need hot sauce on my eggs. I know I'm not the only one that do this, so don't talk about me. I need my hot sauce. This is my plate. The plate I made earlier was for my husband. A little syrup. I can't wait to cut into this pancake, girl. I'm gonna turn the camera to me, but I just want y'all to see. I know mine look burnt. It's not. I like it crispy. Come on. Okay. I want y'all to see the inside is fluffy. Okay. I'm about to tell y'all what I think. I'm gonna turn the camera to me. This pancake good as hell. The orange. The orange in a pancake is what's setting it off.